dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
It's more nicer.
Yeah, sweeter.
Yeah, better
Oh,
taste. No?
okay.
Yes. But it's nice with ackee
Mm.
and saltfish. I can
Yeah.
put brown stew chicken or anything on.
Yeah.
Breadfruit is all purpose.
Looks good.
Yes, all purpose.
Yeah, maybe we'll go get the fish and everything to cook with
Yeah.
the breadfruit. So it
Yeah.
needs like a few hours.
For the breadfruit?
Yeah, to sit here.
No, it
Oh.
can roast right now. You know.
Oh, okay.
You don't have a special time. It all depends on the wood.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
like how the rain fall, no?
yeah.
But me can get wood later and roast it. It's not
Okay.
a problem.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
No
So
problem.
we gotta get some food to go with that.
Yeah. Well, we don't need to, but we can. I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks nice.
And this is coconut now. I
Yeah.
don't even know what to do. You can make it stay there, you know?
Okay, yeah.
Maybe you can cook ackee with it, or you want to
Okay.
cook rice and peas. I will grate it. And you can just buy the ready canned bean
Uh-huh.
and with the rice I just grate and throw inside.
Okay, we'll do that. Yeah. Yeah, we'll
no
do
problem. Cook it fast.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
And how can we get ackee?
Ackee,
Mm.
maybe when you're in Port Antonio
Okay.
and the market phaser, you park the car
Mm.
and walk in the town where the big market is
Okay.
and the phaser there. Yes, you see they sell ackee for $200 a dozen.
Okay.
Tell them say you know it's $200. They don't think you're tourists and sell it for expensive. Tell them say it's $200 a dozen you know ackee sell for in Jamaica.
Hmm.
Yeah. And
Okay.
200 for avocado, pear, you know?
Okay, yeah, they had the big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
200. But maybe they want to raise it because they think you're a tourist and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So you just make them know say it's $200 you know it for, you know?
Mm, yeah.
Yes, and then they will change and say, okay, you live in here. Alright.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah man. So you can check it out. You know?
Okay, in Port Antonio.
Yeah man.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go back to get this food for the dog and
Oh.
come back, you know.
You want us to drive you?
No man, it's right here.
Okay.
It's right here. These guys
Okay.
going to Port Antonio.
Oh,
So
we
maybe-
might pass you. You have the car now again or no?
No, we don't have a car. We drive with the route taxi.
they have to
Oh,
take
then we
road
can
trip.
drop you too probably if
Yeah,
we go at the
they
same
live in
time.
Port Antonio now, you know.
Ah, okay.
Maybe not right now. Are you going now?
We're going like a half hour.
Okay.
Something like
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Yeah, if we we'll try and
you try
just
with
tell us.
going with the car. or
Yeah, in
Yeah, they go
the
in
white
car.
car.
Maybe we can wait and we drive together.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this must be nice.
Okay, no
'Cause
problem.
these guys know the market, you know,
Okay.
in Port Antonio.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Some places.
Yeah.
they know it, you know.
Okay.
So when you go now, you can show you the market and things
Yeah,
like
okay, perfect.
that. Yeah, man. Maybe you can buy the hockey,
Yeah.
same place.
And come back.
Breadfruit drop in.
Oh.
Because the guy who sell the weed,
Yeah.
you know the Rasta
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, man.
They sell
We
hockey.
can show the whole market.
Yeah, they
inside
sell
there.
hockey right
Okay.
here.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, man. So everything working
Yeah, man.
in the right way, you know.
And can I see where you get the dog food? Can I walk with you to
Ah, yeah, let's go.
that? Okay.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna go get the dog food and come back.
Yeah, walk this way.
Okay.
That's good. You're a tour guide now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's where it goes, little blind. So, this is the top house, you know.
Okay.
Where Simon put on the video.
Oh.
Say he want to buy the house. It was just fun and joke, you know.
Oh, okay, you're not doing it.
No.
Okay.
And I don't want to do it either.
Yeah.
I need to get away from tourists sometimes
Yeah.
and have private life. You understand?
Yeah, I think so. Because
Yeah.
you always have people here.
Um,
Jason said the same thing. He loves doing the Airbnb, but he needs a break sometimes.
yes. Let me hold your hand.
Okay, thank you. I tried to walk down to the river this
Yeah.
morning too, and it was steep.
Yes, you're falling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was carrying too many things.
Oh, you and make a video.
Yeah, I tried to, but I couldn't find, it was too hard because I had
Yeah?
a bunch of things in my hand. Yeah, I gotta go back.
Okay.
But I think I couldn't get to the full river. It was just like a little offshoot of it. Like a little bit of the river.
Yeah.
I think I went maybe the wrong way.
To be honest, this is my original place where we born and grew up
Oh.
here.
This is where we're going now?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
But the land go across over to the road
Mm-hmm.
from the grandparents, you know?
Oh, nice. So your siblings grew up here too?
Yes.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, it's nice.
So, this is my place.
It's really nice. The color is nice too.
Yes, it's me painting.
Oh, you got the Bob Marley.
Yes. I will love Marley.
Should I wait out here?
Come
Or?
inside.
Okay. Oh, it's nice. And now you have the blue.
Yes.
I like your colors.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So I have everything up here, you know, set up, you know?
Yeah.
And this is where we sleep, you know?
Oh, it's nice.
Yes.
Okay.
I have nice view too.
Oh, let's see.
So I can stay up here and watch over there.
Oh.
Introduced herself to
Oh.
the officers and offered to pick
Oh,
up
it's
the
really
trash.
nice.
They
Do you
were
sit out there at that table?
but it's big.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's nice in here. You open the windows or no? You like them shut?
Yeah.
Okay.
Congress, Joseph Patterson.
And bathroom.
Oh. Oh, it's nice. You don't have to go outside.
No.
Hmm.
But if down there full, and I'm in favor of somebody,
Mm-hmm.
can let them stay in this room for a time, you know?
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I can let them stay here. Too.
Okay. Then you lose your privacy again.
No, not for long.
Okay.
I can shut this door.
Okay, that's
I
true.
can enter from that side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
More than one place.
more than one place.
Okay.
So we cook the dog food up here.
Oh, nice.
And Chum was washing with the machine. And I just
Okay.
bring clothes down, you know?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
So now we cook the dog food.
Okay.
So I need to bring it down.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna cook it down there?
I already cooked it
Oh, okay.
because of the rain
Mm.
and the time might be wet.
Yeah.
And we have a stove up here. I don't cook
Okay.
it. It makes sense.
Yeah.
I cook it here, you know?
Yeah. It's better. Hmm. Yeah, you have a really nice view up here.
Up here?
Yeah, because you get the height. It's nice. It's nice everywhere, but here's nice too.
Yes.
Hmm.
The higher it become more beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone wants their house up high.
Yes.
It's nice.
Where's Sir John? Yeah? You know, so by right a weekend marker, but we have one speed going we can get this. You know? Yeah.
Hmm.
Clean.
I told me so long, you know, I mean, I drive a pinch go away, no one like
Yeah? You can come down?
Maybe. I gotta try. Let me. Okay. Thanks. These shells are nice. Okay, yeah.
No, okay. Okay. A weekend or something for man bring something for me.
Hi.
Alright,
Good
alright.
morning.
Good morning.
Maybe that time we could again.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Ah, shit. Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Maybe. So, thank you.
No problem, man. Come.
Maybe. I think I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not gonna
No?
fall. Come.
Okay.